جار يعني neighbor. Again, جار يعني neighbor. جار means neighbor. The feminine version of jar is jara. Jara. Usually, if you hear the a or a ending, that's your indication that a word is feminine. Look for the a or a ending. Just by listening, a or a. Jar does not end in an a or a, so it's masculine. Jara ends in an a sound. This is represented by the ta marbuta, a sound, so it's feminine. The ta marbuta is a tied up T. Makes the T sound, but on its own, it's silent. More on this later. But all you have to know from a comprehension and listening standpoint, if you hear an a or a, or being able to identify the difference between a masculine noun or feminine noun, just look for the a or a ending. That's basically it. Jar, masculine, jara, feminine. Jama', jar, jiran. Jama', jar, jiran. The plural of jar is jiran. We don't have of or is in that sentence in Arabic. We're literally just saying plural neighbor, neighbors. جمع جار جيران. تمام؟ احكوا لي إذا في أي أسئلة. Let me know if there are any questions. See you in the next video. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي.